Little boy. Workaholic.
Hi, my name is Mini Snacks.
Hi, my name is KT.
Hi, my name is Cat 5. Today we're making a catapult. I'm not sure how to do this. I'm not even sure what a catapult is. Why do we have a marker?
Step 1, prepare the
Chihuahua.
bumper by folding
You're a chihuahua.
tabs
You're a
along
chihuahua.
the score lines. Then insert the tabs into the slots along with the bottom.
Sissy, I was going to
Sticker number 1.
I was going to hand you the. You hold this. You hold this right. Okay. Stick to me, little one.
Stick it right there.
Okay. That's that. No singing this time. It's sticky.
Put the finger on it.
Okay.
I do these two.
No way, Josie. Okay, I'm gonna get it. It's a picture. Wait, I wanna do it.
Yep.
Bye. Okay, this looks good. No growling. Ooh, they're balls. Ew, this kind of looks like little sponge. Spun.
Step 5. Six double stick.
Sticky.
Alright, they're right here.
Do these look like toilet paper sticks?
Actually, no.
I think it goes like this, like a slime.
Yeah.
What does a catapult do, Daddy? It shoots things. But I don't know how we're ever gonna make a catapult with this. Okay. Just stick this on.
That's it.
Stick it on, partner.
It was supposed to go on this side.
Oh. Sissy.
Next step.
Wait. Sissy, that looks good. We did it wrong. We did this side wrong. Okay. Okay, so now it works. Now it looks better. Yeah. This looks like a game. Like you throw balls into it. So this is how good we've done. It's very, very cool to me, and I know it's very, very cool.
No.
Just Mom? It shoots. So the thing, how it works is it shoots things out, but it kind of looks like a basketball game. But now what do I need to do? You don't. Okay, so you just wait. Okay, this is gonna be the hard part. Cat 5, put that in the garbage. Thank you very much. Thank you, peasant. Hi, again. That looks good, Sissy. Okay, so put this right here. This is what we did now so far. These screws are very difficult. No, not yet. What is this going to do anyway? It's a catapult. No, I mean, what is it going arcade. We can have our own mini arcade. 5 hours later. Okay, I finally got it. I think it is a catapult. Whatever. Or these could be little barrels for little bunnies. Huh? These could actually be little barrels for little bunnies. No. Okay, now that we have the catapult and the arcade, it's time to flip this over and test it out. Yeah. Okay, pull down and then let it go. Okay, let go. Woohoo! You got 10. Can I go? Undo it. Oh, come on. That's cool.
Why do I always have to be last?
The best part about this experiment was the screws, the catapult, and the mapping of the game, and I can shoot the ball wherever I want.
Non-deal spaces.
50 points. Try to get 100.
My favorite part was building the catapult and the arcade.
Fit 100 points. My favorite part was when I got 10 points in the arcade.
I learned that it kind of took a long time and it's kind of hard to build because it has a lot of pieces and stuff.
I learned that if you don't look at the instructions more closely, it could mess up. If you like these videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.